I bet when you think of keyboard shortcuts, probably the first thing you think of is Word. But do you know that Excel has its own keyboard shortcuts? Let me share with you the A to Z of Excel's shortcut keys, and this is for Windows. Let's start with the first half, A to M. So Control A is select all, Control B is bold, Control C is copy, Control D duplicate from cell above, Control E flash fill, Control F find, Control G go to, Control H is replace, Control I for italic, Control J is a line break, Control K is insert link, Control L create table, and Control M is move table for power pivot. If you're finding these shortcuts useful, then please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you'd like to receive more unique tips and tricks, then why not subscribe to my email list? Grab any of the links in the description below. So let's move on to the second half. Control N is new file, Control O for open file, Control P for print, Control Q is the quick analysis, Control R fill left, Control S for save, Control T create table, Control U for underline, Control V for paste, Control W is close file, Control X is for cut, Control Y is redo, and finally Control Z is undo. For some of these commands I have other videos explaining them in more detail, and I will link them below for you. Some of them may need to be re-recorded first. But anyway, try some or all of the shortcuts, and I'll see you in the next video.